networks every day. Today we'll highlight differences between new wireless AC and the now old wireless N. Starting with speed, everyone was amazed at the record-breaking 450 megabits per second speeds of the fastest wireless N. Well, now wireless N looks like a lazy donkey compared to the astounding 1.3 gigabits per second speeds offered by the fastest wireless AC routers available today. Wireless N is offered in 150 megabit per second speeds, found in most mobile devices, tablets, and laptops. 300 megabits per second for moderate performance routers and 450 megabits per second for high performance routers. Wireless AC will also be offered in different speed ratings. The lowest AC rating will be 433 megabits per second, about the same as the highest wireless N today, followed by 867 megabits per second, and capped off with the incredible 1.3 gigabits per second rating. But AC won't stop there. Wireless AC can go as high as a whopping 6.9 gigabits per second. So we'll see even faster wireless AC solutions launched into the market in coming years. Now let's take a look at wireless coverage. Will wireless AC provide whole home coverage? In one word, yes. Now every environment is different, but wireless AC provides just about the same coverage as wireless N. So if you get a signal from your existing wireless N router in your backyard, you will still get a signal from a new wireless AC router in your backyard as well. Will all of your existing devices work with wireless AC? Well, yes and no. Pure wireless AC does not work with standard wireless N, which is built into your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Now that said, almost all of wireless AC routers will be dual band, with one band offering standard wireless N to connect all your existing devices and the other band offering up to gigabit wireless AC speeds. So long as you have a dual band wireless AC router, you're good to go. Wireless AC offers two new technologies which improve real-life wireless performance. The first is beamforming technology. Just like the name implies, wireless AC routers calculate your physical location and modifies the wireless signals to direct the strongest signal to you. The second technology is called MU-MIMO. Regular wireless N has MIMO, or the use of multiple antennas to greatly increase coverage and speed. But when multiple users are connected at the same time, the router can only send information to one device at a time. Well, with wireless AC, you get the great MIMO coverage combined with the ability to communicate with multiple users simultaneously. Hence the term multiple user MIMO, or MU-MIMO. This results in a big increase in performance in busy connected households. To recap, wireless AC is lightning fast and offers whole home coverage. Dual band wireless AC routers work with your everyday wireless devices, and wireless AC has new technology which further boosts performance. Build the highest performance network. Build a TrendNet wireless AC network.